As we see here on the chart, which the people on the radio can't see the chart, but you will in a second. We're making some good highs. We're trending right up here. You know, we're making new highs on some good volume coming in. I like this one. You know, I've been calling this one. If we break 25, we're going to start grinding up. I think we have $1 in this stock heading our way. I don't know if today or tomorrow, but this market's showing this. Pfizer's showing some good strength here. We've been picking them. We've been doing good, and we, as in me, you know, this one's heading up higher. Here's another one that I took a position in today. I don't know if I sent this out. This is the first time I'm telling you. I took a position today, right at the open. I was watching it, so I think I got it around 970. It's about 987 now, and it's looking good. You know, we just broke out of this little base here. We're heading higher. I'm going to show you a daily chart of that in a second. AKAM is still up about 40 cents. Let me just show you that. I was watching this earlier. There was a triangle, that nice little triangle that this stock made, which I usually trade on an intraday. You could actually trade on an intraday if you have like 500 shares you want to throw at it. You just make the trend lines, and then we saw it break through that trend line with some volume coming in. And it made a spike. It made about a 20 cent spike, which is a nice size run. And then it pulled back down here. So we're right back down to this level right here. And I'd like to see it hold on to this level right here and head higher. Love to see that. That'd be excellent for this stock. Intel. Jesus, Intel. Bear Stearns.
Fairly high.
You know, I want to think of some initials, some words that go along with that initial, BS. That's what this was. This is a big BS downgrade. They downgraded this. It shot down to $25.60. Came all the way back up to $26. And now it's just pulling back with the market here. So it just proves, you know, BS. Bear Stearns. You know, I hope this thing goes higher. Actually, if this thing makes a nice little handle here on this daily intraday chart, this could be a nice cup and handle. We break up higher. We have another firm that comes out and upgrades Intel, and we have two firms fighting it out for, you know, world domination. That would be great. So if we can come back up here, retest the 26 zone, and go through the 26 zone, that would be super bullish. And then I would say all systems are go on Intel, besides this bullshit downgrade by Bear Stearns that, you know, just was awful. Taser, I'm out of Taser. I'm not even looking at Taser. Microsoft, still like Microsoft. They came out with a Zune player today. Didn't really cause a big thing, but here we go. This is what I like. This is one more for the update. NMX, I added a little to my position here. I definitely think this one's going to 133. First point of resistance, and then we're going to head higher. Maybe to 140. Eventually there's going to be some news circulating about how this one's valued at 165. I still think this one is cheap, and the exchange stocks are all in play, and this one looks good. I'll be back with you probably in an hour or so, and I'll give you some basic overall daily charts and targets. Alright, right now that's all I could say. If you have any questions or comments, you know how to get in touch with me. I think that's it. Let's get back to some trading and let's make some money today.